Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DWAC, Trump Media and Technology Group. And before we get started, please slap that like button, and 100+ likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're interested on daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into DWAC and this news right here. Jury rules Trump must pay Carroll $83.3 million in damages. Now, one thing I want to say with this news, in this country, especially, or not even in this country, anywhere, if you're actually rich, you got billions of dollars, you got the fame, you're famous, people are going to come after you. Now, is that going to affect on price of DWAC? Well, we have seen a lot of bad, negative catalyst, especially for Trump, with so many newses, this, that, so many cases, and it just happening all over the place. So I don't think that's going to take a big effect because of this. And just because Trump was punished by this, $83.3 million in damages, it does not mean that he's going to pay right now. I mean, there is so many things going on. It's gonna drag on for a long time. So just because the jury is saying that you got to pay $83.3 million, it's not like he just gonna put his hand in his pocket and say, hey, here, go ahead, take $83.3 million and you're done. That's just not how things work. So I just wanted to put this out so you guys know what's coming and what's happening right now. But also with Nikki Haley, I think she cannot go that far anymore. Within maybe another 3 to 4 weeks, or even before that, she's going to come out and she's going to drop out. And that's going to be also a big catalyst for DWAC, guys. And now let's have a look at DWAC itself and see what's going on. On DWAC, it's up 9.37%, so massive rally on Friday. And you can see on Thursday, it was down to almost 31, 32. And within one day, this thing went back up to 40. So this thing still can move, and we could see another massive explosion to the upside. Lot more catalyst yet to come, guys. So this thing is not done. And election is nowhere near right now. So you're going to see more big moves to the upside on DWAC. Now also, when this thing was running, I said it before that just because this thing is running, we got some good catalyst, people are dropping out. Do not go and chase this stock. We still have a merger that's going to happen on DWAC, and then like I said, election is coming within a couple months, and you're going to see massive explosion to the upside. And so far, I think a lot of people just holding runners. A lot of people actually sold, especially on this run, because look at this move from $12. Let's say you got it at 20, 17, anywhere there, even 25. You still made how much? Over 100%. Some cases 200%, right? Some cases 300-400% from 12 bucks. That was a massive run. So I think a lot of people took profit, and this thing was getting extremely overbought. A lot of people also holding runners, holding long-term shares, just like myself. And I think this thing is not done. So going into Monday's session, what to watch for on DWAC? To the upside, it needs to get above 40 to 34, 5-day moving average. And soon as we get that, it's going right back up to 46 and possibly going back up to even $53. Now to the downside, if this thing actually gets under this low down here, and that is at around 32 bucks, you're going to see DWAC coming down and filling this gap right here at 28, and that is going to be a strong support filling this gap. And also we do have 13-day moving average right here sitting at 29. So in between 29 and 28, after filling this gap, we have strong support. And also you can see DWAC also got a huge rejection before right here at 28. So a lot of things are lining up. Rejection from before right here, that's going to act as a support. The gap down here at 28, 13-day moving average at 29. So that is going to be a strong level to watch if we get that pullback down here to close this gap on DWAC. But if this thing actually pumps, and soon as we get that breakout above 5-day moving average, yes, this thing can run again. And one more thing I want to point out, guys, and that is just basic technicals. Look at all these moving averages right here. 50-day above, 20-day above, 13-day, and then you got above 5-day moving average. So these are lining up nicely, and you can see that is a positive slope, and that is a bull trend on DWAC. So it's not going to just come down and die easily unless there is a bad catalyst, really bad, something really bad out there waiting for it. Then we could see that sell off all the way down to 1738. But right now, we got everything lining up. Election coming, lots of other catalysts, and also we got a bull trend on DWAC. All these moving averages right here are positively sloping to the upside, and that is a strong bull trend. So watch out going into next week. DWAC definitely not done here, and we got a lot more to see to the upside. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.